Buga government don't come out now, can't tell the joint body where they arrange Food and Drug Administration Control, or they call NAFDAC, say, make them stop. That's a waka of say that they go for company, they go for warehouse, they go they lock them, and make them stop that matter of to ban small sachet of alcohol and all of those small 200 milliliter bottle of alcohol them. Oh yes, after all of the carry padlock, carry sticker to go close warehouse and all of that drama what they call Operation Lockup, or federal government don't come out now tell NAFDAC say, relax first. It is not yet time for that. The government not only say may they suspend putting that ban, no, but also may they stop to the close down people company. All of this order come out on Wednesday for inside the talk paper for Abuja from the person who they give stock special for public matter to secure of the government of a country, that na Terence Kwanum. Inside the kind of government language where they use, they say everybody calm down, maintain status quo. We are still discussing.